Hey, my lovelies, you are welcome back here, and you are also welcome to today's episode of Word of the Day in Igbo language with me. So, today we are learning what the paw-paw is called in Igbo language. Let me call it the Igbo way, paw-paw. Yes, we are learning what the paw-paw is called in Igbo language. Yes, so paw-paw is called Okworo Oyibo. Okworo Oyibo. The Englishman calls it okra. No, we call it Okworo Oyibo. Okay? So, whenever you want to say paw-paw in Igbo language, it was near paw-paw. It is not paw-paw. Don't call it paw-paw. It is called Okworo Oyibo. Okworo Oyibo. Okay? So, let us also make sentences with that. Okworo Oyibo, which is paw-paw. Right? Let's go. Okworo Oyibo ochalacha. Is this paw-paw ripe? That's a question. Okworo Oyibo ochalacha. Okworo Oyibo means paw-paw. Means this. Ochalacha means is it ripe? Ochalacha. Is it ripe? Okworo Oyibo ochalacha. Is this paw-paw right? That is sentence number 1. Let's go to sentence number 2. Okworo Oyibo dị ụtọ. This paw-paw is sweet or is delicious. Okworo Oyibo tọrọ ụtọ. This paw-paw is sweet or delicious. Okworo Oyibo still paw-paw. Tọrọ ụtọ means sweet or delicious. Okay? Let us build sentence number 3. Wọtara m Okworo Oyibo. That is, pluck the paw-paw for me. Wọtara m Okworo Oyibo. Wọtara m means pluck the paw-paw Okworo Oyibo. Wọtara m means pluck for me. Me, okay? Pluck for me. Okworo Oyibo, this paw-paw. Wọtara m Okworo Oyibo. Pluck for me this paw-paw, or pluck the paw-paw for me. Okay? So guys, this is the end of this lesson. Remember, it is not paw-paw in Igbo language. It is Okworo Oyibo. Igbo Oyibo ka na-akpọ ya paw-paw. Chealia mgbe oge dịrị gị. Repent now that there is time. Speak your language. Enjoy your language while there is time. Sụọ asụsụ Igbo mgbe oge dị. Onwe mgbe oge na-agaghị adịzi maka gịnị ịsụ asụsụ Igbo. Mma afọ gị na nkụzi ọzọ. I'll see you on our next teaching. For now, bye guys. I love you.